Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 19, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 19, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, June 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 19, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 10 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 48 million pesos for Wednesday, June 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 19, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.